Good morning. My name is Gerard Call, Business Manager at Moto City. This morning topic of discussion is total loss situation. You've been involved in a car accident and the vehicle has been deemed a total loss. Now this puts you into a situation where you now no longer have a vehicle, yet you are still responsible for the loan. So now you're negotiating with the insurance company. In this province, of course, it's SGI. And you may owe, considerable amount of money on your loan. And when SGI comes in, they'll say, there's a problem. We're not going to be able to pay off your loan. We can only deem a value of a lesser amount. And then you're stuck holding the bag as far as the difference between what the insurance company is willing to pay for the loan as well as what you owe. So SGI, of course, will send the money directly to the lender because the lender has the lien. And so you're continuing making your payments on a vehicle that is gone. Fresh air. Not a nice situation to be in. So when you deal with Moto City, there's several different options that we can help you with. Quite often, we have an insurance that we can include in the loan, and it's called gap insurance. And gap insurance is exactly what it is described to be. It covers the gap between what the insurance company will pay and what the loan value is. And so in most cases, the equity situation is covered in its entirety, and you're not left holding the bag with owing money on fresh air. Another option, of course, is you may not have had the gap insurance on your loan. The situation is a total loss, and for example, you may owe $20,000 on a vehicle where SGI says it's only worth $15,000. That means you're left holding the bag for $5,000. Well, in this province, because we only have the one insurance company, in the Insurance Act, you are allowed to take SGI to arbitration to ensure that SGI is treating you fairly. You're able to either hire an arbitrator or you can be your own arbitrator. Go online, do your own market search, do your own market research, I should say, and determine, is SGI being fair with you? Now, if they're not, in your opinion, being fair, you're able to take them to arbitration. And that's where you should give me a call. I can operate as an arbitrator, or if you choose to be your own arbitrator, you go to SGI, you'll notice that my name is on the list of certified umpires. And as a certified umpire, then I will review your file, I'll review SGI's file to ensure that you are getting true market value, so that ensure that the insurance company is treating you fairly. There's a nominal cost to do that. It's a nominal process to do that. And if you have any questions on how the process works, again, I'm available. Call me anytime.